What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking. Now we're back again to do a little quick giveaway. We had a little copy and paste here on this break. We done 2 premiers back to back the other day, and I forgot to remove the part about the autographed jersey. So we done it $10 cheaper because there was no autographed jersey, but some people still thought there was an autographed jersey. It was my fault. So we're gonna go ahead and give away free wheel spin here because of it. Live. Good luck. Top name after 4, plain and simple. 617 gets a wheel spin later tonight. Adam to Patrick. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 617. 617, last and final will do it. There you go. Besser taking home a free wheel spin, man. Congrats. Spot 7. My mistake's your game. That is it. Congrats on the free wheel spin, and we will see you tonight. 617 and 617 it is. So congratulations again to Besser and Spot 7, folks. And thanks